Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue our services of making money on Clickbank in the easy ways possible using My Lead Gen Secret. Alright, so if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a program, a service that you can use which will give you 100 100 leads to email every single day. And once you get a sale on My Lead Gen Secrets, you get bonus leads, so you get 200 leads every single day, right? All right, so let's go on back to and that's basically like it's just the cheapest way and easiest way to make money on Clickbank. And if you want to make like a recurring income within like a next month or two, you need to have 5 accounts open. You open that 5 accounts, you're making money back within the next month or two, and then you'll start making influx. It just slowly grows faster and faster. Get more and more sales every time. All right, because you have more and more leads. All right, so let's go to the mailing system here, and now we're gonna go to Clickbank as well. Clickbank is a service that have a bunch of offers up there. Very easy to get into. Got a link in the description for both of these, and yeah, we're gonna click on e-business and e-marketing. First, when you sign in, you want to click on marketplace, of course. Then you want to click on e-business, e-marketing. I think employment jobs could work too, but I'm going with what I know works. So click on e-business, e-marketing. These two products are the ones you want to promote. It's 100% these two products here. Just go back and forth with these two, or just stick to the first one. Either go back and forth with these two or stick to the first one. So far, that seems to be the best course of action. I've tried different products. People I know tried different products. Those are the two that works really, really well. You can get sales on anything, but those are the two that works really, really well. All right, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna stick to the top one here. All right, we're gonna send an email here. I'm trying to think. Let's go to the email swipes and find the swipes here. Let's go with, I think know which one to go with here. What was the last email I sent actually? Facebook wants to pay you, okay. So I sent the Facebook one. So I sent email 7. Hold up. No, I didn't. I sent the 6th one. I'm on the 7th one. Alright. So we're gonna go with this one here. I'm pick Bank, Gun Bust Day channel on Facebook, hiring worldwide. Let's pick the first name in the front there. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so we're gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is when you send the email, it shows up in their box around the time that they check emails. So you got a higher chance of getting, for people to check it out. Alright. I've also let's continue here real quick. I want to talk about that later. I'm gonna talk about it later. What I was about to say. Copy. Alright, so here it kind of looks like a business email, so we're gonna pick management. Everything looks good. I'm gonna pick the name here. Blah blah blah. Do I see country anywhere? There we go, country. So instead of country, what we're gonna pick is your area. Alright. We're looking real quick. Scan. I don't see nothing else. Alright, so we're gonna just get the link here. LGS1. I only use one account for this challenge, for this video, but I recommend at least 2 to do this with, and then slowly just build up if you want to do it that way, or you could just go ahead and make 5 accounts right away. Either way, it makes money. It makes money. You get sales. I make money off of this all the time. So that's why I'm talking about it. And it's the easiest possible way I've seen to make money online. And we're pretty much done with the email here. So let's go ahead and get it. We're gonna make sure the link works here. This is what you want to check every single time. Make sure the link works. The link works. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and send the email. Boom. Oh, forgot this part. Do this too, by the way. I forgot that part. All right. So yeah, we send the email. Boom. And there's that. Now, what I want to speak on. Hold on, let me wait till that finish. Okay, the email has been speak. Now, what I want to speak on that I've seen people get to work, is that what they'll do, they'll send the same email twice and then go to the next email to make it last, have more emails. And some reason it works as well. Send the same email twice, bite to bite. It somehow works as well. Some people don't gotten sales doing that. So I can recommend trying that as well. What you want to do is stick to whatever you want to do. You stick to the first two, especially social paid media, especially this one here. Especially this one. This one definitely works, 100%. That's the one you want to kind of focus on. But you can rotate between these two. You can try other offers, but I can't promise that they'll work too well. I thought they would when I first started this program. When I started doing these, I thought certain ones would work because I've gotten sales with them, but I did not get sales with them, and now I'm thinking they don't work as well as I thought. So what I recommend for a fact is stick to the top two. That's the data I've gotten so far while doing this challenge here. This one works really well, and this one, I believe this one will work really well too. So just stick to these two here. I don't want to tell y'all to do something if I don't know for sure you'll get sales with it. So that's why I'm kind of hesitating. Even if I gotten sales with these other offers, I'm hesitating a little bit because I don't know if it'll work really well for you guys. So I know these will, cause I'm constantly getting sales from this one here personally. I constantly get sales from this one all the time. And I think this one they made by the same. It's the same group of people. And this one I've gotten a lot of sales with as well. Not with this challenge, but before I did this challenge. So I know this one will get sales too. But I thought that for a lot of them, to be fair. I haven't tried it yet, but I know for sure that this one works. 100%. What I'm sticking with here. At least try this one. I think this one works too. But at least try this one. Alright, I'm just looking at what's going on here. This is a new one here. I never seen this one before. Let's switch it up to gravity, see what's going on. The initial conversion is something. You wanna kind of get something that got a little meat on their initial conversion, because you only might get one sale. That's why I recommend writing apps here. Initial conversion could be $25, and for social paid it's $22. So kind of pay attention to that. You want to get, because sometimes you get a sale that's not really all worth that much, but you want initial conversion. Now the average conversion is $93, but the initial is $7. So they only buy once. You're only getting $7. It's a lot of stuff you can do to try to figure out what works best. You test stuff out and all that good stuff. But I know for a fact that a lot of people, all of us, have came to the conclusion that this one is the best offer to promote with my lead gen secret. That's all I wanted to say. All right, that's it. Also one more thing. There's an offer for social media. There's an offer for Saving Highway Global At the bottom, that works better than Clickbank because you're billing recurring income every month. You get paid every month. For example, here, right here, this $25. I have not gotten a sale this week, but I still made $25 because I'm getting recurring payment with Saving Highway Global. That works better than Clickbank because each sale is worth so much more. So give that a shot as well. All right, that's gonna be in the link in the description. You can start that with just $20. All right, and that's all I have to say. Wish you guys the best of luck. I'm gonna keep trying and testing stuff and seeing what works best and all of that, because information will never stop. You know what I mean? The data you can get will never stop. What works best can never stop. You can always try different stuff and keep trying. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Wish you all the best of luck, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll keep pinning these out. All right, peace.